Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to connect a PS3 controller with Android rooted devices. So some of the people have already connected their PS3 controller without rooting their devices. But guys, if you will not root your device, you wouldn't able to get full command of controller keypads on your PS3 controller while using it on your Android devices. So let's see what we have to actually do to have a full command of PS3 controller on our games. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to connect a PS3 controller with your Android rooted devices. First of all, I'm going to connect a PS3 controller with OTG cable. And secondly, I'm going to show you how to connect a PS3 controller with your Android devices using a PC. So guys, to connect a PS3 controller with your Android rooted devices, you need three things. First of all, OTG cable, which is also called micro USB to big USB adapter. And whatever you call it, it doesn't matter. And a second thing is your PS3 controller, of course, and a third thing is your PS3 controller charging lead, which comes up with PS3. So this is all you need to connect a PS3 controller with your Android rooted devices. Now let's see how we can connect it actually from Android rooted devices. So first of all, you have to get into my blog to download a 6-axis controller on your Android devices. And a blog link will be provided in the description below. And here in my blog you will see this 6-axis controller link. Press this put locker and you will be headed to put locker site. So this is a downloading site. Press continue as free user. Press click to download. So this file has been downloaded, and now you can access this file by getting into my file, and if you are not using a Samsung device, you can get into dual file manager to access this file. So here we have 6-axis controller tool. Press it, press OK. So I have already installed it, that's why it's asking me to replace that file. Press install, and now you have to open this 6-axis controller tool. So guys, when you open a 6-axis controller first time on your Android device, you will see this type of message. 6-axis controller must be enabled in language and keyboard settings to use the 6-axis. Change settings now. So press yes when you see this message, and here you have to take this 6-axis controller. Press this, press OK, and press back key. After doing this, you have to connect a OTG cable with PS3 charging lead. And this is how you connect it. And now you have to connect this lead with your PS3 controller like this. And now you have to connect this whole lead with your Android rooted device. When you connect it, you will see a USB connector connected option on your Android rooted device, and you will see these blinking lights on your PS3 controller. Now press start, and you will see a first option, getting Bluetooth address. Now here Super SU will ask you about access, so press grant access. So once you see this message, listening for controllers, that means that you have done all the things correct. So guys, after listening for controllers, you will also find out that your Bluetooth is automatically turned on. And now once all the things go correct, you have to press this PS, and you will see that your PS3 controller is responding with your Android device. So this is how you connect your PS3 controller with your Android rooted device. And if you don't want to use this PS3 controller with any lead, you can use it via Bluetooth. Disconnect all the leads, and then you have to press change IME, and now you have to press 6-axis controller, and you will see a one stable light on your PS3 controller. Now you can play your games without any lead using a PS3 controller on your Android rooted device. So this is how you connect a PS3 controller with your rooted device without a cable and with cable. Now I'm going to show you how to do a key mapping of PS3 controller on your Android devices so you can play any shooting game comfortably on your Android devices using a PS3 controller. So to do a successful key mapping of this PS3 controller with our Android devices while playing game, we have to make sure that we have taken a screenshot of our game that we are playing on our Android device. So let's say if I am playing a Modern Combat 4 0 hour game on my Note 2, I have to take a screenshot of this game first by holding a power on and off key and home button at the same time, like this. And now this device has taken a screenshot for us. Now you have to get back to a 6-axis controller. Press it. Now you have to change IME to Samsung keyboard. And then you have to press Preferences. Press Touch Emulation. Press Edit Touch Profiles. And rotate your display to landscape. Double tap for menu, and here you will see 8 options. Now you have to change background and press this screenshot. Press this. So this is a screenshot we have taken while playing that game. Double tap a display again. Now press Edit Background and you have to rotate it to landscape mode like this. So now it's looking perfectly fine. Press back key. Now you have to assign these touch controls to PS3 controller keys. So to edit all the things here, you have to double tap a display again and you will see a add button option. Now here we have all the buttons of PS3 controller. So let's say if I want to assign start as a pause key. So here I go. So I have assigned a start key as a pause key. And R2 for zoom in target, and R1 will be for shooting. So you can assign anything you want to assign over here, whichever way you feel comfortable. L1 is for running. This is L3. L2 is for throwing grenades. And you have to expand this circle because this is a right analog key and you have to rotate your character to 360 or 180 degree. So it's better to expand this circle. And now you have to save all these settings. Press Save Profile. Press New. So that's why we have enabled a Samsung keyboard in 6-axis controller. You can name it anything. Go back. Press back. Press OK. Back. And GFG. Change IME to 6-axis controller again. Now you can make a full use of PS3 controller playing Modern Combat 4 0 hour. So So let's little bit zoom in the things. So guys, if you don't root your device, you wouldn't able to do a proper key mapping of PS3 controller. So here you have a full control of PS3 controller on your Android rooted device. So guys, everything is working perfectly fine using a PS3 controller on Note 2. So guys, this is how you connect a PS3 controller with Android devices using a OTG cable. If you want to know how to connect it using a PC, you can continue watching this video, or else of course you can go and enjoy your gaming using a PS3 controller. So guys, first of all, you have to get into a link that I have provided in the description. So this one is the second link, and you will be headed in this Dancing Pixel Studio site, and from here you can download a 6-axis pair tool setup for your Windows 7, for Windows 8 and for Mac OS X. So I have downloaded 6-axis pair tool setup for Windows 7, and this looks like this on your Windows 7. So guys, I am having some issues in installing this driver on my Windows 8, so might be you will get a same problem that I am facing at the moment. But for Windows 7 and Mac OS X, this software is 100% working, and for some of the Windows 8 users, it also working perfectly fine. So this is how you install it. Run. Yes. Next, install. And now if this type of window will pop out, you have to press cancel. Now press cancel again. It doesn't going to make a big difference over here. And now you have to open your 6-axis pair tool, but make sure that you have opened a 6-axis controller software on your rooted device as well, and you have connected your phone with your PC, and as well as you have connected your PS3 controller with your PC. Press run. Sorry about that. You have to open this tool now. Now it is searching for your PS3 controller. So it has given you an address. Now you have to type in a address which is appearing in your 6-axis controller in this master address. So actually I have already connected my PS3 controller with my Note 2, so I don't have to write anything, but this is how you connect it via using PC and laptops. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to sub and like. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to press like and don't forget to sub as well.